Hello, I'm Danny. You probably know me from Precision Lighting Systems. Today we're going to talk about the different styles of LEDs and why our dimmer is the only one that can be used to properly operate these many different styles. On this table today we have a variety of LEDs, many different styles, many different companies, many different importers. Some of these are older, some of them are newer. We're going to show you the different styles and how they've changed over the years. But the main thing I want to show you is that because of the variety of LEDs and the many changes that have taken place continuously, we find that a typical dimmer can only operate some of these lights. Precision Lighting Systems has tested over 200 different brands for poultry. So looking at the variety on this table, we know that there are many different ways that these LEDs dim. Some of them use a very specific proprietary type of dimming technique. Others have a standard forward phase. Others have a standard reverse phase. Some require a very special dimming curve to take care of their need. The engineering magic of the Precision Lighting Systems PLS 2400 MR4 is that we can dim any of these. Other companies import their dimmers, and they're designed to dim only one type of bulb, and usually it's the one that they sell. Our dimmer will take care of all of these. Now, you know the MR4 as having 4 tiers. Over the years, it's been the primary unit in all of poultry. In 2019, some significant changes began happening with LEDs. Many different varieties were coming in that no longer operated in a normal manner. So our solution to this was to work with our engineers to come up with some additional ways to operate these new incoming LEDs. And we came up with the PLS MR4 2400 7-tier dimmer. We have the original 4 tiers, and now we've added 3 more. Let me show them to you. We have mid-phase dimming, which we invented. It's proprietary to Precision Lighting Systems. It was originally developed from Once Innovation. L2 is for AG25, the Ag Lighting Innovation guys. Their unit is reverse phase, and they wanted a full poultry house tested to find a good dimming curve for them. L3 is forward phase. Now, forward phase is a standard type of dimming, and you'll find that it's still used on lamps like Greenlight, TCP, Verbatim, Satco, Topaz. So there's a lot of forward phase bulbs still in use. L4 is our default reverse phase. We actually send the dimmer out on L4 as a default so that you can use it on things like Great Value, Cree, Simple Truth, Overdrive. It's a reverse phase. On L5, it is a type of forward phase. This was done in conjunction with Greenlight, who asked us to do 180 lamps all in one poultry house and create a dimming curve for them. L6 is our very basic reverse phase. It is designed for the most delicate and fragile throwaway type LEDs. And then finally L7, I didn't know what to call it, so I call it the El Mas Bajos. It is a very, very low reverse phase. It's for a couple of brands that came in that could not dim unless I dropped the voltage down drastically. And it does a great job for those, and we see that on the East Coast some. So looking at all the different types of LEDs and the different ways that they are engineered to dim, we know that the PLS MR4 2400 7-tier dimmer is your only option. We're made in the USA, and there's not another dimmer company that can tell you that. Now you may say, I'm not sure about the different types of LEDs I have, what phase I need to use on the dimmer. That's all right. If you'll give us a call, we've done the research, we'll be able to help you with that. So for contact information on that or any other questions you may have, find us online at poultrylighting.com or precisionlightingsystems.com.